Hey, welcome back to the Land Rover Augusta channel. I'm a part of a lot of Land Rover groups on Facebook, and I noticed a lot of people are posting their secondary air questions, and they take it apart. They don't know how to put it back together. I've seen a few now, and I'm going to go ahead and address that. Right here in the front, you got your vacuum routing diagram. This is the 4.6 liter engine. You have your vac canister to the left hand side, your engine bay, and it is mounted to your secondary air pump. You have a vacuum line from both canisters that go around. You come up to the first valve, SAI valve. That continues to route around. Sorry for the thumb. SAI valve continues to route. The valve continues to go into the air intake. All right, and then it routes around underneath. Goes through behind the AC compressor. Underneath the throttle body, you can see it back there still. Comes around. Goes back over to the other SAI valve. And you can see here, I think. Sorry for the video, there you go. All right. Goes back in to the back side here. Trace it all the way back over. Back in there. It's underneath the throttle body behind the AC compressor. Back underneath there, underneath the throttle body. Splits off there. And I hope that gives you enough angles. And then your pump is mounted back there. So there you go. I hope that helps somebody out there taking apart their secondary air. And thanks for watching. I hope this helps somebody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, just go ahead and post in the comments. I'll do what I can to help.